bekhona lahlelweni lamuhla. So i-prepaid metering silonche last month kuqaleni inyanga ya March. So lapho khona sathi sesive nje ukuthi seyifikile in Eswatini Water Services Corporation. Isebenza kanjani ke lapho khona nje ma customer they buy units to load ma tokens la tawenda ukuthi emandi abe khona endlini. Siqalile njengoba ubadisa balalele emakhaya. Siqale eMdoni Township lapho khona this is where we are doing our pilot phase. There are 50 connections thus far eMdoni. So ngilapho khona sihlola khona ukuthi mase sicala sesi roll out eveni lonke itabe isebenda kanjani. So siya testa nje with eMdoni stokhwana kwati kumbe la ihlupha khona nema thoughts nje nema experiences ema customer ethu. So far feedback lesbenayo eMdoni has been quite positive. Ema customer ayayemukela kakhulu indlela lesebenda ngayo, and ngicabanga ukuthi it's also easy to use because bayakhona nalokuyisebenzisa. So sesiqalile eMdoni, we are looking forward to rolling it out nationally eventually, which will be done over a 5-year period. Thus far eMdoni ke sitawenda le pilot phase loyikhulumisile nje for 3 months.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think lokhulu nje lakuveta empty during the launch inzabe transparency and i-control ukuthi ngiyakhona control ukuthi ngisebenzisa imali langanani, ngiyakhona nekubona as well. What are some of the complaints mhlambe benwatfola emakhasimendini kule system lenzala?
Okay. Kule system lenzala maybe angicale ngokuthi kuze sifike ku prepaid, it's because my customers ethu have been saying ukuthi they would like to have a prepaid model yemandi. So as also in water services, we do make sure that whatever our customers are speaking about, we are there to listen because we want to ensure that our services are of good standard. So most of the activities that we have rolled out as a corporation are due to the fact that we are listening to our customers. We are concerned about what the needs that they have are. Therefore, prepaid metering comes from that, just like many other innovations, because you need to bring things that your customers are looking forward to as an organization. As Sikula nathi singeSwatini services, my customers ethu nawo ayakhula, nelive nalo liyashintsha how we function. More things are becoming digital. So the prepaid stems from that. So silethile because of my customer needs and my customer expectations. Phambilini, our customers just felt as though ayafisa ukuthi avele a budget for a water bill. Sangbekise, you know you want to spend 300 emalangeni, therefore you will load 300 emalangeni into your water water system. So kwaba yinfo le kanjalo ukuthi I think fisile ukuthi let me just know ukuthi I'm spending 300 this month. Kangangoba ukuthi some customers we did then roll out a plan ukuthi you can just pay in advance. So some customers were paying in advance just because they just want to be able to be in control of their budget. So the prepaid, I think iletha logo ekhasimendeni ukuthi maybe you are buying before instead of receiving a bill after. Ngicabanga ukuthi now when you are buying before, you are probably more responsible with the usage because you know ukuthi ngibudgetele ukuthi I'm using this 300 emalangeni on my water this month, and whatever it is that you are using as an individual. Now I'm using this amount, you are more in control. Gansi, our previous system, or the system that is currently ongoing, because not everyone has the prepaid just yet, you pay the bill after the usage. So sometimes it's like yo ngimlona ngisebenzise mandila kangaka, so lokuthi gatsa kumelula lapho khona you probably have the prepaid compared to when you are going to receive the bill afterwards.
Yeah. I think sivele siningi nje sajabula kakhulu when MD asivitela tindzaba letimnanzi ukuthi nyalo sasta khona kuthenga imandi just like electricity. As you did mention ukuthi kwanyalo nisemdoni for the next 3 months. Ngabe ni nibuka ukuthi indawo phuma nini kuya letinye tindzawo, how many residential homesteads le nita khona ukuthi niti gucule in the 5 years?
Okay, so in the 5 years, we are going to go in all areas of the country. Because I'm sure some are concerned water services. So this is the corporation going out and moving the old system and including the new system. So that is going to be on Eswatini Water Services Corporation. So letinzawo ndotsini sitibuke in effect in a way that siya etinzaweni letahlukahlukene as we phase out the year on year. I think it's also important ukuthi satise ukuthi on our clustered communities, maybe my communities etfu maybe langa afford kangako, we have also thought about them previously. We have Emma water kiosks where Bantu they go and buy water for like a 1 rand Msikupusa 25 liters. So we also have done something similar, a similar model for those clustered communities. So they will have prepaid standpipes lapho khona bataba ne token and just purchase the water and bese sekayapuma. So it's definitely a prepaid sengosi. You are just now using a token. So we are using that technology across board, even in our clustered communities. All areas, it's not necessarily urban, nasemakhaya kutawugcine kufikile over the 5-year period. Yes.
Okay. Speaking of purchasing the water, Vele, take us through the process. Do I need to go to your service centers, or I can do it online? I can purchase amount njengagesi kuyafana nivele nagesi?
So ngidawuthi kuyafana akufanani nagesi. Kuyafana in that you are purchasing your water tokens or your prepaid tokens to put into le system yako. So we will work with Emabange. We are in the process of engaging our bank partners to purchase Laoma tokens, Lama water tokens. Currently, the people that we have connected, the customers that we have connected, Mdoni Estate, are utilizing the EWC app. Lapokona, that's where this is the app that we have, Njaya Water Services. So customers can also utilize the EWC app to purchase the water, whilst we are still in engagements with our banking partners. So dawkhona nikuthenga etitolo etc. Ngithi akufanani njani nagesi because it doesn't utilize gesi. So should there be a power outage, the water will continue to be there. Kusebenzisa e-battery. But otherwise, the way that you purchase the tokens will be very similar to that of EEC.
So will it reflect instantly nang pancha nje lama tokens ami reflect kule meter?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what other benefits come with this new system besides lokuthi I have full control monitor my consumption?
So I think there are a number of benefits that come with the prepaid system for our customers. One of them is the fact that you will be able to know when you have leaks within your property, because the system is designed in a way that it will alert the customer. So it alerts the customer on the gadget that is within your home, where you actually enter those prepaid units. So it will alert customers that, okay, we have a leak in the property. So customers can quickly, respond to that as than previously, where you actually find out that you have a bill by seeing your bill. You have a high water bill or a leakage by seeing your bill at the end of the month. So away with that now, customers will be able to know that actually there's something wrong in my property. There's a water leakage, because it will reflect on the gadget where you actually enter your units. It will also be available. Also, you'll be able to see it. It will be linked with our EWC app, so you can also see this. Maybe you're away from home and you have the EWC app. It alerts you. We'll see there seems to be a leak within your property. So that is, I think, one of the major benefits about this innovation. And I think also the fact that it doesn't utilize electricity is also an advantage, because I think a lot of our customers were thinking, sengidofaka imandi I mean, emanding ema tokens, perhaps kusebenda ngagesi, makucime gesi ekami sinemandi sekude konke. So because we utilize e-battery, this gadget utilizes ema battery, it will not be affected by water cuts. So you continue to, by electricity cuts. So you continue to have access to water even if you have power cuts.
Okay. So what's the least and highest amount of token lengawathenga, like imali ngiyabekisa 5,000 ufuna kuthenga 5,000 ufuna kuba set for the next 3 months, and what's the least lengayifaka mkhona ngimfaka 10 emalangeni ukuthi manje ngibambe simo?
Okay, so sithenga at the lowest minimum is 5 kiloliters, which will be around 90 emalangeni. So inese ngikhona ukubekisela nge-highest because lapho sekutawuya ngel-customer ukuthi utilize emandi langakanani, but nje i-minimum is the 5 kiloliters that a customer can purchase.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did EWSC conduct benchmarking exercises? We know that countries such as Uganda do have this system. Ngabe nikhonile nikubona ukuthi lamanye amave enda kanjani ngaphambi kokuthi ni officially launch la eSwatini?
Yes, we have siphumile nje saya emaveni latfutane naleli bomakhelwane, South Africa, Botswana, Uganda as well, just to see how they use the system and how it functions in their countries. And then also we had to obviously look at how we can utilize the same system but to benefit eMaswati. So we definitely did due diligence by going out and actually seeing how the prepaid meter functions in other countries. So we are very much equipped to now utilize the function kuleli lakithi.
All right. So siyakuthi bese send these scheduled payments, and also on the app ikhona option leyo. Will it still exist kule new system then?
So in the new system, because you are now buying beforehand, we probably will not require that. Yona itoqhubeka nyalo, angisho angitsanze kusho ukuthi itoqhubeka nyalo, because not all our customers have been rolled into the prepaid metering, but eventually that will be phased out because now you are now purchasing beforehand. Logo ukuthi besenda lama logo, it was because my customer beganako lokufisa to be in control. Let me just pay beforehand so that I'm in control of my expenses. But nyalo, the way that the system will be working, the way our EMA tokens will not require that you actually do that. So eventually it will be phased out, but in the meantime it continues to be there.
Right. So nasibuya nje mhlambe kulama meters, what is the lifespan of lama meters lendawa install?
Okay, because they utilize e-battery, we have looked at that. It was a very big concern for us as East WSC. We don't want to be going every now and again sekulungiswa ema meters. So the lifespan of these batteries that will be utilized by the prepaid meters is 10 to 15 years. So it will take quite a long period of time to be utilized by my customer. Yeah. Okay.
Just kubuyela nje muva kulaba basemdoni tuthe ukuthi kwanyalo nisabuke eMdoni as a pilot project. Ingabe bathini bona as testament to this new system yabasebenzela kanjani nababuka nje mhlawumbe consumption yabo ukuthi mangakhi lama kiloliters labawathengako kuyabasebenzela yini in the different households, because there's different family members, house members laba khona la ekhaya kuyabasebenzela yini?
So I think that's a great question. Githi as Eswatini Water Services sisitena siwa installer lama prepaid meters eMdoni. We made it a point ukuthi we go sibavakashele every now and then. Even in the installation stage, we had to show them so this is how it functions, just so that we can get great feedback and just have a great sense of how this actually works for our customers. And thus far, we have not had any complaints from them. They are able to utilize the prepaid metering system. They're able to purchase their tokens on the EWSC app. So the transition has been quite good. for them. I think it was also important to us that we do it in a community that is close to the headquarters, yes, Eswatini Water Services, so that should there be any problems, we are quick, yes, so we are quick to reach them. But for us, so far we are very happy to not have had any major complaints or anything that would say the system does not work or we need to maybe improve a whole lot more. So thus far, I think we have had positive feedback from them. We continue to engage them, which is why this is a 3-month period. So we continue to engage them. We look forward to knowing what their experiences would be after 2 months, because it only has been a month now.
Right.
Yeah.
So as we transition to the new system, do we need to reapply? Will we have new accounts? Water accounts existako noma sitosebenzisa wona lawo existako kutondingana nje le transition.
Umbuto lomuhle loyo Lulu. I think customers would be happy to know where we'll see you continue to utilize your account lekhona. So this is just us as Eswatini Water Services sifika gakho sikufaka nje kule system lensha sikuchazela ukuthi isebenza kanjani, but you continue to utilize the account that you were using.
So kudile ngukukhago, I will not pay for the meter, nina niyafika niya installer niyangena niyafaka everything that needs to be installed.
Ngithi lesiletha lentuthuko kuma customers siyafika nje siya installer i customer lethu sele enjoy a service lensha le more efficient for them.
It must have been costly for the corporation. How many millions will be spent on this project?
No, it definitely was a costly initiative that has definitely, which is why we are also doing this initiative over a number of years to allow lokuthi sikhone kuspenda differently in the different number of years. So umnyaka ngemnyaka kutohluka, and we just look forward to having a customer aid who enjoy the service lensha.
All right. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Sibongakhulu. Hlobile kusichazela ukuthi le prepaid water metering system yaka EWC isebenza kanjani, as she just said ukuthi kwanyalo basayipilota ezulwini eMndoni for the next 3 months. Itawuchubekela etindzaweni letiningi kamanzini and also in urban and peri-urban areas lapha eSwatini kubona ukuthi iyasebenzela yini vele. Let's go for an ad break. Sabe khona manje.